everyone, it's Cashew. Today's adventure brings us to Cincinnati, Ohio to Union Terminal. What? Again, Cashew? Yes, but it's worth it, believe me. I'm going to take you to the Cincinnati Natural History and Science Museum. Now, it's still under renovation, but there's a couple areas that are open, and one of them I've been dying to show you from the time I started this channel. Now, the Natural History Museum used to be down in Eden Park, and that building is now home to Channel 9 News. And they had this particular thing there, and I loved it then, and I love it even more now because it's bigger and better. So wait till you see it. Our adventure starts here. Wait till you see their new layout. It's gorgeous. I remember this petrified log from when I was little. This is a really great exhibit on studying skulls. Here are some casts of fossils. This skeleton is new since they reopened. This Torvosaurus is new since they last opened as well. And this is an Allosaurus. It's been said birds are living dinosaurs today. And here's a closer look. This is a comparison between a chicken and an Archaeopteryx. So far, the museum looks a lot nicer now than it did before the renovation. This is pretty cool. You can see the paleontologists at work. This is really cool. They're showing their DNA lab too. This Sumatran rhino was captured in the wild in Indonesia and brought to the Cincinnati Zoo for breeding. This netted enclosure has live bat demonstrations during the day. This is what I wanted to show you. You can actually go through a model of a cave. Let's go. It might be a little dark, but you'll get an idea of what this experience is like. It's a lot of fun. If you're claustrophobic, this is not for you.
What? Really nice. Oh my god. Oh my god, please stop.
Check this out. Inside the cave, there are little exhibits along the way, so you can learn about cave life. Check this out. love this cave. Okay, here we go. And there's a look down at where we were. If you come down here, be careful through this path or you might wind up in the water. We're coming up to the surface now. This reminds me of part of the original cave that was down at Eden Park years and years ago. If you remember my vlog of Neil Armstrong's museum up in Wapakoneta, they have a gallery in his name here too. I wonder what kind of lunar lander this is. This looks like one of Neil Armstrong's Apollo spacesuits. This is a lunar sample that was brought back by Apollo 11. This section of the Natural History and Science Museum is interactive, and I'll show you some of the things you can do. I think I'll walk through a tornado. They also offer a virtual reality experience where you can be a pterodactyl flying through the air. And like all good museums, they have a lot of great merchandise in the gift shop. Wasn't the cave great? I hope you enjoyed it as much as I do. And I will take you back here next year when they've opened more of the museum. But what they have open is really good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell. And if you already subscribed, please turn others onto my channel and they can join us in our adventures. Until next time everyone, this is Cashew signing off. And here's a people aquarium, Homo sapiens in their natural environment.